Anybody got some drip? Drip, 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 drip. Logic in binary. I'm trying to get comfortable here, trying to get loose with making this happen. Today I have a very unique item. I don't know anything about it. Apparently LBJ over here is a thirsty guy, and we're gonna find out. We're gonna see what this is. Well, I know what it is, but we're gonna see how this works. This is a he did it to me again. LHUKSGF. That cannot be a word. I'm not even gonna try. It's a pour over ceramic coffee dripper. I tried to do a little bit of research on this, and I was completely stuck. I saw a couple of other different ones. They were very unique as well. But the people that do this, I mean, fancy? They were dead serious. I mean, there's a 1-hour video on pouring a cup of coffee. Super, super delicate, super, super fancy. And they were very specific. You had to have the kettle with the, you know, the old Beauty and the Beast kettle, swan neck spout, you know us, we're not doing all that. We're gonna go ahead and do this like anybody would at home. You buy a product and then you figure it out. So without any further ado, let's open her up. And this is, okay, this is it, the ceramic coffee dripper with 3 holes. It says 3 holes. 3 holes. 3 holes. What's the difference between the 3 and the 4? More drip. Boom. I did notice one thing on the Amazon site, that it does look a lot more green on the site than it actually is. This thing is pretty much white with a couple, like a little bit of shade, like a slight tint of, I don't even call that green, man. I thought it was like blue almost, but I don't know. You guys tell me, what do you think? Right, it looks more blue than anything else. These are on Amazon, $11.99, and not bad at all. We're gonna see if it works. Is my understanding. You put it on top of the cup, put the filter, put the coffee, and there's supposed to be like a ratio, like a balance, but we're just gonna eyeball it because that's what we do. Mama, Papa, you ready? You're ready. They want coffee. I didn't even mention it, but I got my mom and my dad in the studio. It's about to go down. I'm gonna make some coffee for them because they want coffee. It's midnight, but they want coffee. It's not necessarily staying. Haha. There's no such thing as a too big bottom. No, that's what he said. All right, filter goes in. This is probably not even, look, you know what? Let me do this. This is probably not even the right type of filter, but we're gonna make it work. Are we doing Starbucks? As a matter of fact, I'm gonna hit the switch. Boom, hit the switch. Now it's warming up. Now I'm gonna put it right in front so you can see it warming up. Let's go. Oh, we're making a mess. Hello. All right, how much coffee should I put in here? No spoon, mama. And we do this by hand. I don't know. Is that a lot of coffee? What do you think? Should I do more? Look, I'm gonna leave it like that. That's what we're gonna do, okay? And then I'm gonna give it a little. Hey, it worked. All right. Very technical. You're supposed to measure exactly the correct amount of coffee and the correct amount of water. If you notice, we were very specific in the amount of coffee. There's exactly 2.5 million grains of coffee in here. Exactly. Not one more, not one less. Count them, I dare you. Go ahead, you got count it, man. We'll be back as soon as you finish counting. All right, so we're back. He has confirmed 2.5 million on the button. And we're waiting for the guaguita to heat up here. Hey, this is pretty cool. I just noticed you turn it on with the handle. The handle's part of the pot and not part of the base. That's pretty cool. Oh, wow, watch out. It's automatic too? What? I don't know. Why didn't we review this thing? Jeez. Here we go. Cup on top. And then I'm gonna try my hardest not to burn myself and or spill water all over the place. You ready? Should I be wearing safety goggles for this? Oh, it's okay. You can edit them on. I'll protect my eyes for sure. All right, ready? I'm nervous. Here comes the drip. So what you need to do is you need to fill it up all the way to the top, and you go in circles, and you do all kinds of stuff that I don't remember. So I'm just gonna let it sit. Okay, should I put more water? Oh, we're just gonna let it drip. I'm gonna put more water because I want to. I want all kinds of comments from all these professional. What do you call a professional coffee server? A coffee sewer? Or would that be a dinosaur that drinks coffee? Hey, but that looks pretty cool. I mean, it's working. That's a lot of coffee for one little coffee cup, though. Do you think we could reuse it? Maybe it's like good for 3 or 4 cups. Ooh, fancy. This is actually like her spare fancy ones. These look tier 3 fancy. This one looks like the teacup from Beauty and the Beast, dude. I think it's done. That's pretty cool. It looks like a cave. See? See? So we're just gonna switch the drip. Oh yeah. And you know what? We're gonna try to run it back and see if it works. I think that'd be a good idea, right? So if you're a coffee sewer, please don't hate me for what I'm doing here. Mama wants coffee. Here you go, Mama. You try. Te cambio. So Pop said that I did way too much coffee, but when I asked if I did too much coffee, he was silent majority over there, huh? I can't see you. Stop! ¿Está bueno? A ver. ¿Cómo es comunista o qué pedo? She said it tastes Cuban. I was like, is it communist? Oh yeah, that's good though. Oh man, I'm gonna do the rest of the show like this. I ain't even gonna stop. It's just gonna be on and on and on and the cracking. What you wanna do? What you wanna do? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go get some more coffee. I want some more drip. Who got some more drip? Anybody got some drip? Drip, 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 drip. Dude, you really gotta have some of this. You want some of this? It's a lot. I want to get some of this, man. This thing is awesome. You gotta really try it, dude. He says that I put a lot of coffee in here, but I don't believe he put a lot of coffee, man. I think I just did the right amount, just the perfect amount of coffee. I think so. I'm sorry. What? If you like black coffee, it's pretty good. It's just strong. Yeah, I think I did put a little bit too much coffee, but it is good. It is good. That's actually not bad. What is this? So Odyssey blend, Starbucks. Pretty bad, pretty decent. We can do this again. So we're gonna do 2 cups just to see if the same coffee grinds can work. And when it's in there, I'm gonna mix up the coffee grinds because they're kind of like split to the side. Dun, 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 dun. Coffee, round number 2. So we're gonna pour the water in again. Oh yeah, honey. Drop the edges a little bit. Mix it. Yeah, the guy in the video was doing this stuff too. He was mixing it and stuff like that, but he was a coffee sewer. I can't. I like coffee, but I'm definitely not a coffee sewer any more than I am a whiskey sewer, and I like whiskey. All right, I think that's enough. We're gonna go ahead and let that drip. I'm gonna put this right here so I don't want to make a mess. And we shall wait. And here comes the time lapse. So would you like make it right in the morning and then like go shower and then come back? This was taking longer than the other one, I think. Or did I just put too much water? I put a lot more water? This is an interesting video. We're just making coffee. We're gonna go viral for making coffee. The amateur coffee, man. We're gonna go viral. All right, Pops, your turn. Tell me if you like it. Pops, thumbs up. You can't hear me. A little sour? Bitter. Coffee's not sour, buddy. So here we are, Logic and Binary, tasting some sour coffee. Hope you liked the video and the explosions and I think we did it. I think we're successful. Thank you, moms. Thank you, pops. LBJ, T-Got, myself, at LB Dexter, at Logic and Binary. I'm not going to tell you what to do. You do what you think is best. Thank you for watching. Cue the outro.
Yeah, and we can smoke, we can chill, we can do it all. I got a car outside, no roof at all.